wait is finally over. Triumph has officially announced the launch of the much-anticipated 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400. After months of speculation and excitement, Triumph is back with a powerful yet compact scrambler that is set to redefine the adventure biking scene. In this video, we'll dive into the key features, performance, and what makes this bike stand out. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Scrambler 400 embraces a classic retro design, staying true to Triumph's signature style. From the high-mount exhaust to the rugged, minimalistic frame, it carries an unmistakable scrambler look. The round headlamp with LED lights and the brushed metal finishes add a premium touch, while the tall handlebars and dual-purpose tires give it the functionality needed for both urban and off-road riding. This bike is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Performance and power. Let's talk about performance. The 2025 Scrambler 400 is powered by a brand new 400cc single-cylinder engine that packs a punch, offering an impressive balance between power and control. With a smooth throttle response and optimized fuel injection, this bike delivers an exciting yet comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or exploring trails, the Scrambler 400 promises to offer a thrilling experience every time. Off-road capabilities. A Scrambler wouldn't be complete without its off-road prowess. Triumph has equipped the Scrambler 400 with long travel suspension and high ground clearance, making it ideal for rough terrains. The lightweight chassis ensures better maneuverability, while the dual-purpose tires provide excellent grip on both asphalt and dirt. It's built for adventure, whether you're tackling trails or navigating through busy streets.
Advanced technology. Despite its retro look, the 2025 Scrambler 400 is loaded with modern features. It includes a digital instrument cluster with connectivity options, allowing you to sync your smartphone for turn-by-turn navigation and music control. The bike also comes with ABS for added safety, making it perfect for new and experienced riders alike. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400 combines style, performance, and versatility, making it a fantastic option for riders who crave adventure. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, this bike is designed to deliver the best of both worlds. Triumph has truly outdone themselves with this launch, and we can't wait to see it on the roads and trails. Be sure to subscribe to Be Pro Rider for more updates on the latest bikes, riding tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.